Elon Musk is betting Tesla's future on its Optimus program, envisioning it as a game changer. He believes Tesla could be worth 10 times more than the most valuable companies today, which are valued at around $3 trillion. Musk claims that Optimus will be Tesla's most important product. He envisions over 1,000 humanoid robots working in Tesla factories next year, although this timeline has been delayed. Currently, 2 Optimus robots are already working autonomously in a Tesla factory. Musk sees a massive market for humanoid robots, estimating 1 billion units per year. He believes Tesla could capture at least 10% of this market, producing robots at $10,000 each and selling them for $20,000. At the recent shareholder meeting, Musk announced plans for limited production of 1,000 to a couple thousand robots in Tesla factories next year. However, he did not mention when customer deliveries would begin, focusing instead on internal use. Despite Musk's optimism, some remain unconvinced. Critics argue that humanoid robots may not be efficient for simple, repetitive tasks. They also question Tesla's edge in this market, citing past overpromises on self-driving technology.